Hi you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys what I eat in a few days here in Korea. I don't really know if I'm gonna film this all week or if I'll do less than a week, more than a week. We will just have to wait and see. I feel like here my diet is so different from how it was in the States. Obviously, sometimes I eat at school and the food they serve there is just so different. I figured it would be good to start this vlog off with a grocery haul and just kind of show you guys the food that I have in my house and that I'm gonna be kind of like cooking with throughout this video. By the way, if you're new here, what's up? Be sure to hit subscribe and follow me on Instagram because I'm always posting like other types of food and beverages that I'm consuming over on there. So I went to Home Plus this evening and I spent about 60,000 won, which is the equivalent to about 50 US dollars. And I picked up just some like really basic things that I always kind of like to have. A big box of frozen pork. Pork is pretty much the only meat that I will cook myself here. And it's frozen, which is great, so I don't really feel like I'm rushed to eat it. But I'll probably make pork like once or twice in this video. I also got some pineapple. Whenever I make pork, I love to grill pineapple. It's like the perfect combination. So I got a can of frozen pineapple. I also got eggs. These are great to have like breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And then staples to pretty much like every Korean household, obviously. Some noodles and then rice. I try and hold off my rice consumption just because it always makes me feel super bloated. Also got a box of salad. I always like to have one of these just so that I can have something healthy nearby. And then this is my favorite dressing. Next, I got almonds. You guys know I literally cannot go a day without having almonds. I literally never crave potato chips or anything just because if I want something crunchy, I just eat almonds. I also got a big box of yogurt. I love having yogurt for breakfast, either yogurt or oatmeal. Lately, I've been craving yogurt a lot more, I think just because it's sweeter. So I got a big jug of that. I also got some ricotta cheese. Whenever I make salad, I like to have something creamy on it, and ricotta is like the perfect addition. So ricotta. Also got a pack of 2 kiwis, some avocado. These things are awesome. I usually just get them from the convenience store, but I picked them up at Home Plus just because they had them. Next, I got this, which is a kind of like an instant kimchi pancake type of thing. I love kimchi pancake and I've always wanted to make it, but I'm not confident enough to make it from scratch yet, so I just got this and I actually might make this tonight for dinner. I also got some of this fruit granola type of stuff to go into my yogurt, and then this is pretty much nori that you can just put into like anything really. Yeah, here is my little grocery haul, and honestly most of this stuff is gonna last me for a while. Like, I'm not gonna go through all of this in a week. I'm not gonna go through all of this in a week. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do wanna say I'm like intuitively an eater, so if I eat like one of these for lunch one day, please don't freak out and think that I am restricting or anything like that. It's not like that. It's just that if I'm not hungry, like I'm not gonna eat, you know, because then I'm just gonna feel bloated. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's go ahead and get started. That's exactly what I want. Oh, okay, stir it up. So I just finished my salad that I made, and I kind of just wanted something like sweet and crunchy, so I just put some cereal into a cup. It's actually like granola, and then just a little bit of milk, and I'm going to have this as well. about like 10 o'clock right now, and I have a pretty big sweet tooth, so I want to show you this little kind of healthy dessert I'm making. So I just have 3 of these little mini bananas, and then I put some almonds in, and then I'm just gonna do a couple scoops of this yogurt just to kind of do like an ice cream banana split type of moment. It would be awesome if I had like chocolate chips. Oh my gosh, that'd be so good. But this is just gonna have to do, just kind of mix it all up. It would also be really good if the bananas were frozen, because then it would really be like ice cream. And yeah, it looks so gross on camera, but it's literally, it pretty much just tastes like kind of like frozen yogurt, that type of thing. It is currently about 3:30, and I think I'm gonna end the video here. It's a Saturday, and for the rest of this weekend, as far as what I'm eating tonight, I'm going out with my friends, so we'll probably just eat tons of like K-barbecue and sides and stuff like that. And then usually on Sunday, I do the whole fasted cardio thing once again, and then I'll probably have like some kind of salad for dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it gave you some insight as to what my diet is like here in Korea. I guess I'll give you guys like the pros and the cons of my diet here. So I would say the pros are, well, I don't really know. I mean, I love the taste of like Korean food. Is that a pro? Yeah, I love the taste of Korean food. I like that I can easily eat for free at my school if I want to. But I would just say the cons are the availability of produce for me. So if I were to go to like Costco or something, there would be a lot more produce available there, but Costco is actually really far from me. And my grocery store that I go to is Home Plus, and Home Plus does have like a nice produce section, but just as far as like comparing vegetables and fruits in America, I feel like there's just a lot more available, and the prices in America are a little bit better for the fruit and veggies. So I do wish that the cost of produce was cheaper here, but it's not gonna stop me from buying it. Another pro I can think of is ordering food is so easy and cheap in Korea. In fact, it's actually sometimes cheaper just to order your food instead of make food. However, I like to know exactly what's going into my meals, and it's also just nice to like put a meal together by yourself once in a while, because it does make you feel like a little more homey and stuff like that. So that is another pro. You can literally order pretty much anything here. There's hundreds and hundreds of restaurants that deliver, and it all delivers really, really quickly. So you only have to usually wait like 20 minutes and your food will be here. And now there's a siren, so hold on. Also, to compare like the nutrients in my food here versus America, I do think my meals here are less nutrient dense. In America, I was eating a ton of like green smoothies, and I was having like multiple servings of spinach every day. And here, that's just not happening at all. It's honestly not very realistic. I guess I could drink smoothies here, but I don't have a blender. But as far as like multiple like servings of spinach every day here, it's just not really feasible. So I do think my meals in America had a lot more nutrients. However, I'm exercising more here just because I'm walking everywhere, and I'm also eating less here, I think. So at the end of the day, I've actually lost a little bit of weight since coming to Korea, and it hasn't been intentional at all. It's just been from the way things have played out. However, I do really wish that my meals could be more nutrient dense here. I need to go onto like iHerb or something and order some kind of like nutrient supplements so I can make sure I'm getting all of those superfoods.
But yeah, that's the unfortunate thing. I feel like I'm not really getting enough of those like green foods. Even though you guys see me eat like a lot of salads, there's a lot more like green superfoods that I should be eating, like kale and celery and spinach and stuff like that. But yeah, that is gonna be about it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, let me know what other kinds of videos you want to see on my channel this winter season. I can't believe it is December now. I hope you guys are having a great start to your month. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.